Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jess, and today I'm doing another Vlogmas. We are on day 22 now, which is crazy. I can't believe it's already the week of Christmas. I'm gonna make a quick stop at Trader Joe's. I'm just gonna be putting like a little gift basket together. I love doing like gift baskets and that kind of stuff that are like of food or like non-perishable food items or less perishable. I just love doing that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna put one of those little gift baskets together. So for the gift basket I'm making, I got these maple leaf cookies, and everything I got was about $30, which I thought was pretty good. And I got these two like bags of trail mix. So this is the rainbows and trail mix, and then this is almonds, chocolate, and cashews check mix. I feel like you can't go wrong with these, as long as they don't have a nut allergy, of course. I got a bag of popcorn to make. And I got this garden vegetable soup. I think this might have been a new item. I thought it was really cute. It looked like a nice little thing to throw into the gift basket. And I got this maple syrup kit. Thought this was really cute. So it came with like 4 different maple syrups. And for the gift basket itself, I actually bought like 3 of these last year around Christmas time from World Market. I would recommend checking out. They did have a lot of gift basket kits that were like under $5, like not too expensive. So I have one of these. This is just says gift basket kit. It comes with a little wicker basket, raffia gift tag, and like a clear bag to put over it. Also, like when I went to some of the thrift stores like Goodwill's, I noticed a lot of gift baskets in there. So you could probably even thrift like a little basket. You could even just throw it into like a Christmas bag or a holiday bag, whatever it is. So this one came with some like stuffing to put on the bottom of the basket. So I just put my stuffing into the gift basket. So once I have the basket with like the little stuffing in it, I'm gonna put it into the bag first. It's gonna be hard to like lift the heavy basket into this bag once you've already filled it. I'm just gonna put this in here. So I just have the basket in the plastic here. And now I'm just gonna fill it with all the items. So once I just arranged everything in the basket, I'm also gonna throw a little card into it. So mine just came with this little string. I'm gonna use that to tie it, and it also came with a little tag. Here we have it. Just such a cute little gift idea, I feel. I love doing this, so I thought I would just share with you guys how I put together a little gift basket. I just put it into a bag just to keep it a little more secretive, and just do a little bow, a little tag on it, some tissue paper. So that was my little DIY Trader Joe's gift basket, about $30, maybe like $35 if you're including buying the basket. It's Tuesday morning, and I'm gonna head off to work now. I just thought I would get that done. Might stop and get a pliable at some point today because I really want one. Just got the pliables. So excited. Taking a little lunch break from work. It's like so cold. I love eating cold food still though in the winter. I'll still eat it. I'll still eat ice cream, smoothies, all that good stuff. Ooh, they like packed this. Yes. This looks so good. So if you have a pliables by you, I totally recommend. They're really good. I have the booster base here, which is like banana, like vanilla protein, peanut butter, cashew milk, flax. And on top I have bananas, strawberries, cacao nibs, walnuts, and peanut butter. It's literally so good. Good morning, it is the next day, it's Wednesday, and I have off of work today. I took off, just made a smoothie bowl for breakfast, and I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do today.
person.
I'm just putting some makeup on. We had breakfast and then we just ate lunch. So we took a walk. I was kind of like in a little funk this morning. I just didn't know what I wanted to do. So I'm getting ready for the day. And yeah, it feels good to just like get ready a bit for the day. I feel like I just do like the same makeup every time, so I usually just speed through it a little. I've been doing kind of like a no foundation thing, so I haven't really been using foundation. I've been using just like concealer. I've had this Maybelline Fit Me concealer for so long. It's like getting pretty empty. I have like 2 of them and they're both like almost empty. So I'll have to see like what I want to do next when those run out. So I think I want to try something different. But I'm just doing that. I always use the Hoola bronzer because this thing lasts forever. I've had it for a while and it's the mini one. It just lasts like so long. I got this like mascara sample, so I'm just trying to use it up, called Chanticali? Not exactly sure what this is, but I just want to use it up. Otherwise, I've had this CoverGirl one for a while, but like I really want to switch out my makeup and maybe try some different brands. But for now, I'm just using, you know, what I still have. It's lasted me so much longer than I thought to. I feel like because I don't wear makeup every day, it like lasts so much longer than I imagine it.
Ryan Little.
So I just got ready. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, honestly. It just feels good to get ready. Like I feel like when I'm in a funk, when I put a little makeup on and just get ready and get dressed, I feel so much better. And just like getting outside and taking a walk before just made me feel so much better. So I just got these like Levi's corduroy pants. They're the ribcage straight ankle, but they're made of like a cream colored corduroy like this. And I want to like style them. So I think I'm going to wear with like a little black like cropped sweater. And yeah, I'll probably just take a picture in that. I bought these on Poshmark. So trying to basically, I want to put together some type of like winter outfit inspo video because I do really like fashion still. It's just hard. For me, I'm still trying to figure out like how I can do fashion related like content while still trying to be more sustainable, so not always buying like new. So I am like really big on trying to go to the thrift stores or a consignment shop or Poshmark, those types of things. So I was able to find these on Poshmark. I feel like it's easier on Poshmark. I mean, they still have to ship it to you, but it's just easier because I can be very specific on what I want to find. So like I specifically was searching like Levi's corduroy like high-waisted jeans. So it's just easy when you think of it like that. Whereas like in the thrift store, you really have to like dig and look and go for it, which I'm still like here for, but Poshmark can just be easier honestly sometimes. So I'm definitely like been into that lately. Like I got a couple things. I'm still waiting for like 1 or 2 things to come. I do want to put together a video like styling winter outfits, like using basically like secondhand clothes but a lot of it would just be giving you like inspiration basically on an outfit, but it's not necessarily gonna be something I can link because it was bought secondhand. It's an older style, whatever it may be. But yeah, I was thinking about doing that. So I'm gonna put this on. So these are the pants on. I think they're so cute. I really like the corduroy. It has the nice like Levi's patch, and they're like super high rise, which I really like. So these are the pants. I think they're so cute. Paired it with this black crew neck. This is the Champion reverse weave. Got this off of Poshmark.